Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts! If you're gearing up for your next camping adventure, I've got a roundup of must-have gadgets that will make your trip more enjoyable and hassle-free. From compact cookware to versatile fire pits, these tools are designed to enhance your outdoor experience. Let's dive into these essential camping gadgets. Are you tired of constantly taking off your backpack to grab your gear while camping? The Paxis Twin Lakes is here to solve that problem. This innovative backpack features a swing arm technology that allows you to access your essentials without removing the pack. Just pull the release handle, and the lower compartment swings around to the front, giving you quick access to your camera, snacks, or first aid kit. Designed with comfort in mind, it has adjustable straps and a lightweight build, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. With the Paxis Twin Lakes, you can stay prepared and keep moving without missing a beat. The MRF credit card tool is the ultimate compact camping gadget, packing over 60 functions into a slim, wallet-sized design. Crafted from durable, high-grade stainless steel, this versatile tool includes everything from a bottle opener, screwdrivers, and a wrench set to a fire starter and a saw. It even has an integrated phone stand and a ruler. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for campers who value efficiency and preparedness. Whether you need to make quick repairs, start a fire, or open a can, the MRF credit card tool has got you covered in any camping situation. The Aerot tent is the ultimate camping gadget for outdoor enthusiasts. This innovative tent features an advanced air pump system that inflates the tent in just seconds, eliminating the hassle of traditional setup. With durable, weather-resistant materials, it provides reliable shelter in various conditions. The Aerot tent is spacious and designed with multiple windows and doors for ventilation and easy access, ensuring comfort on your camping trips. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and perfect for any adventure. Elevate your camping experience with the Aerot tent. The Gerber Stakeout is the ultimate camping tool, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. This multi-tool combines 11 essential functions into one compact design, making it a must-have for any camping trip. It features a tent stake puller, a handy saw, a pair of scissors, and a fire starter, among other useful tools. The lightweight build ensures you won't be weighed down, and its durable construction is built to withstand the rugged outdoors. Whether you're setting up camp or cooking by the fire, the Gerber Stakeout has got you covered. Get ready to elevate your camping experience. The O-Lantern Classic Mini is a compact yet powerful camping gadget designed to light up your outdoor adventures. With its robust LED light, it offers up to 120 lumens of bright illumination, perfect for lighting up your campsite or hiking trail. Its sleek, lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the built-in rechargeable battery ensures you won't run out of power when you need it most. The O-Lantern Classic Mini also features a handy magnetic base and a hook for versatile placement, allowing you to attach it to tents, metal surfaces, or hang it from branches. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need a reliable light source, this mini lantern is a must-have for every outdoor enthusiast. The Ignik FireCan Deluxe is an exceptional camping gadget designed to enhance your outdoor experience. This compact, portable fire pit offers a safe and efficient way to enjoy a fire without the hassle of traditional wood-burning setups. With its easy-to-use design, you can quickly ignite it with the push of a button, and its built-in propane tank ensures a consistent and controllable flame. The FireCan Deluxe also features a rugged, durable construction that withstands the elements and provides a steady source of warmth and light during your camping trips. Perfect for gatherings around the campsite, this fire pit combines convenience and functionality for an enjoyable outdoor adventure. If you're planning your next camping trip, you need a reliable cookware set, and the Alox cookware set is just what you need. This compact and lightweight set is designed for easy outdoor cooking, whether you're boiling water for coffee or whipping up a meal. It includes a pot, a frying pan, and a kettle, all made from durable, anodized aluminum, ensuring they're built to last. The foldable handles and stackable design make it easy to pack, saving space in your backpack. Plus, it comes with a mesh carry bag for convenience. The Alox cookware set is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy hassle-free meals in the great outdoors. Looking for the perfect camping companion? The CAM.G Ursa sleep system is designed to elevate your outdoor sleeping experience. This versatile sleep system combines a comfortable sleeping pad, an insulated quilt, and a weather-resistant top cover, all in one compact package. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and offers superior comfort whether you're camping in the mountains or the backyard. With its innovative design, the CAM.G Ursa ensures you stay warm, dry, and cozy all night long, making it a must-have for any camping enthusiast. Upgrade your sleep game with the CAM.G Ursa sleep system. The GSI Bugaboo camper is the ultimate camping gadget for outdoor enthusiasts. This all-in-one cookware set includes everything you need for a gourmet meal in the wilderness. It features non-stick coated pots and pans, a durable cutting board, and color-coded mugs and plates for easy organization. The compact nesting design ensures it takes up minimal space in your backpack. With its quick and even heating, you can cook delicious meals efficiently. Whether you're boiling water, frying eggs, or simmering a stew, the GSI Bugaboo camper makes outdoor cooking a breeze, elevating your camping experience to the next level. That's it for today's camping gear roundup. Whether you're looking for a reliable cookware set or a convenient fire starter, these gadgets will help you make the most of your outdoor adventures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more camping tips and gear reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your favorite camping gear or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!